example for use the WebView in Jetpack compose. Using a WebView, we have first add the dependency for the WebView. This is the dependency which we would be add in the build or Gatherlin app, and also added the internet permission in Android manifest. You can find this dependency from this website google.github.io. That link I will also add it in the description of the video. You can copy this from this website and add it to your project. Let's add it to my project. Now check the version of this. What version is this? .24 for 11. Sync now. Now add the internet permission. This is the dependency. Now let's start the code. Create the composable function. I will use top bar, so material theme. So I will use the scroll fold. Top small top app bar. Set the title for this app bar. Use the text Jetpack compose. Import this. WebView Jetpack compose. Now create the box in this content area below the top bar. Use this pending values, so it can be, so this box will be comes below the app bar. Now create the WebView state. In that state, we will set the URL for this WebView. For this, we will use a remember WebView state method and pass the URL. I will pass the google.com. And in the state WebView, and use the WebView state in this. Now enable the JavaScript for this WebView. So there is a method onCreated. On getter you will get the WebView object in a lambda function. WebView settings, JavaScript enable equal to true. You can also update this WebView setting which you want to update. Now call this home screen in surface area. Let's start this app. App is installed in Android. Let's search something. When I press the back button of the device, that page also go back. If you don't want to do this, then you can disable this feature by using these properties. Capture back press false. Now reinstall this app. Now search something. Now I'm click on the back button of this device. It closed the app. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe the channel.